Hello, my name is Aryan, and today I'm presenting about computer use agents and why I believe they would be the next leap in automation. This is for the course CSE 486 taught in spring semester. So, why this topic? I went to UC Berkeley's hackathon, and that is when I came across this agent that was able to do almost everything on the computer, including like clicking, dragging files, or even navigating a whole file system. And that completely fascinated me. So I decided to build an AI agent that can like do it all at the hackathon. And yeah, I was just amazed by computer use agents being able to do a lot of tasks nearly at human accuracy. Like this is a benchmark that I pulled up. And as you can see, it is really quickly approaching human level accuracy. And it's not just that, but a lot of companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and even Google are innovating in this space. So there is a big race that is happening to create agents that can automate a lot of automatable tasks. This is a prediction I got from like an economics perspective that about 40% of enterprise applications will have AI agents in one form or another. So what are computer use agents? They are AI systems that can operate computers completely on their own using visual perception and UI interaction. So it is sort of like a three-step loop. There is the first step that is like looking, then there's thinking, and then there is doing. Or in these terms, it's like perception, where it can take a screenshot, it can look at the buttons, the text that is available on the screen, then it will do some reasoning to find out that how do I accomplish the task using the current screen that I'm on. And the third is acting. Like if it decides it want to click a button, it would look at the coordinates of the button, or it can execute a keyboard shortcut, things like that. It would then take an action. So this is the state of the art currently. So state of the art means that it is, oh, one sec, best out of everything else. That is called agent S3. So I'll put some information here, but this is like the main figure I want to emphasize on. It is better than every other agent that has been published. And it is like at 70% very close to human level performance. So this is like an architectural deep dive. What it does is it takes a screenshot at the beginning. Like if it opens a screen, it clicks on a menu button, it would take a screenshot. It would like zoom into the screenshot to see, like, if it has a menu, it wants to select a particular option, it would zoom into the menu. Or otherwise, if it's like a big Excel spreadsheet, it would just look at the coordinates. It would like, use character recognition to convert the text on screen to something it can process. And all of this is powered by like a vision language model. These are sort of like LLMs, but they also have support for multimodal reasoning. That is, they can process videos and photos the same way they can process text. So this makes them very powerful for using with screenshots and being able to create coordinates that then they can click on. Like for example, here it executes code to click on a particular coordinate, and it's using a VLM, like a vision language model, to keep a track of how it's progressing from the first screenshot to the latest. So how is this relevant to my project? My capstone project is a personalized learning system that will integrate with Canvas, and it will be able to generate reading material, practice questions, and just like academic metrics. So computer use agents offer various capabilities, like using a screenshot to create structured text. Like a student could upload their books, and the computer use agent would be able to understand what is happening and create a problem set. Other than that, there's also an orchestration of multiple agents that happens in a computer use agent. So that is also very applicable. Other than that, computer use agents have diverse set of applications, like with software testing, they can automatically test a bunch of functionality, or even in finance, they could do a lot of data entry and like CRM updates. So for conclusion, I would say that computer use agents are a paradigm shift in automation. The landscape is very competitive right now, but I do expect with all of these applications that span a diverse set of industries for computer use agents adoption to just go up and up. Moreover, Steve Jobs back in 1980 said that computer use is something that should feel intuitive, like riding a bicycle. And I believe computer use agents will be that bridge between the gap of like human thinking and actually doing things on the computer. So yeah, that is it for my presentation. These are some of the references that I use in creating this. And yeah, thank you for this opportunity. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Goodbye. One sec.